Do you feel confused when you have to read some Russian words? Today I will help you a little. We're going to talk about Russian soft vowels. Сегодня поговорим о русских мягких гласных. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Russian with Passion. My name is Antonia Romaker, and let's get down to business. So the Russian soft vowels are ye, yo, I, you, ya. They are pronounced differently when they appear in various parts of the word. When the Russian soft vowels appear after consonants, they make them soft. Notice the difference between the two words, look and look. In the first word, the vowel U is not soft, so the consonant L is hard in this word, look. But in the second word, U is a soft vowel, so the consonant L is pronounced soft, L. Look, look. Notice that the vowels U and U are pronounced in the same way in both these words. But the letter U makes L soft. Usually when you pronounce a soft consonant, your mouth is more relaxed. Your tongue is more relaxed. Look. Here's another pair. Быть and бить. In the second word, бить, B is soft. Б. Быть, бить. Here, the soft vowel E is pronounced as E, not as E. Here are some other words. День, вилка, мягкий. Here there are two soft vowels, ya and e. So m and k become soft. Мягкий. Puree. Here I marked it with an asterisk because ye is a soft vowel, but it doesn't make the previous consonant soft. It's an exception. But in the first part of the word, pu, the soft vowel u makes the consonant p soft. P, puree. When the Russian soft vowels go at the beginning of the word after a vowel or after a soft or a hard sign, they are pronounced as they are in the alphabet. With the exception of letter E. We'll take a closer look at it later. But the general rule is that the soft vowels are pronounced as they are in the alphabet when they go at the beginning of the word, after a vowel, or after a soft or a hard sign. Ель, ёжик, игра, юла, яблоко, семья, подъезд. Notice that in almost all cases here, the soft vowels are pronounced starting with the sound y, except for the word игра. And now let's take a closer look at the letter E. When the letter E goes at the beginning of the word or after a vowel, it's pronounced as E. So as it is in the alphabet, игра. But when it goes after a soft sign or a hard sign, it's pronounced as yi. Семьи. Игра, поиграть, but семьи. There are some consonants which are always hard and some consonants which are always soft. Take a look at the list. Ну вот и все на сегодня. Надеюсь, вам было полезно. Если так оно и есть, то ставьте лайки. So make sure to like, share and subscribe if you want to continue studying Russian. Hope to see you soon. Happy Russian practice! Bye!